Introducing the Package Concierge Package Room. To begin, simply enter your carrier access code. Next, indicate that you would like to deliver packages to residents. Scan the barcode or select No Barcode if there isn't one, and then enter the resident unit number or name. Once all deposits have been entered, select Deposits Finished. Then, open Package Room. The door will now automatically unlock. Place the packages in the room and exit, closing the door behind you. Once the packages have been delivered, the resident will receive an email or text notification. To retrieve their packages, the resident will simply scan their barcode or enter their 4-digit PIN. Next, they'll select Retrieve Packages. Then, open Package Room. The resident can now enter the package room to collect their packages. That's it.